Hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wahid Fadholi. Today I will give you some tutorial about how to make MikroTik Hotspot. Hotspot is very important for working activity in the internet for IT sector. With Hotspot, we can connect to the internet networking and sharing files with other computers in local network. MikroTik is a brand name for Hotspot. It used to create Hotspot, setting up network bandwidth, and create user login for the hotspot. So, only the person has authority to connect the hotspot login. There are two types of software that we can use to setting up the MikroTik hotspot. First is a Winbox. Winbox is a software or utility that used to remote a proxy server into GUI or graphical user interface. Then number two is MikroTik Router OS. It's an operating system and software that can be used to make ordinary computer become reliable router network. And then in this tutorial, I'm going to use Winbox for setting up the MikroTik. And here's some steps to make hotspot in the MikroTik. First, you must have the MikroTik router board. For example, I have this MikroTik RB941 or RB941. Open your Winbox application like this, double click and run. Choose the MAC address, click one, then try to connect. Let's connect, and then go to the wire interface menu, this, and then choose VLAN 1 and enable this menu. Click here and then double click here. In the mode you can change it to AP bridge to make Wi-Fi access point, and then SS code ID you can change by whatever you want. This is Wahid Hotspot, blah 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 blah, and apply and OK. And then go to the IP menu, and addresses. Here we gonna make IP address for VLAN and header 2. This is for VLAN is 9268 and apply OK. This is a network address for the header 2. No 10 don't 11. This is only example. You can change IP you want 0 20 24 and apply OK. So then address list is complete. Then go to the IP again, IP menu, the HTTP client. In this menu, click here, interface, header 1, add level yes. This is for the connection from modern internet service provider to my MikroTik, and apply OK. This is automatically setting the IP. Yep, this is my other one, dynamic IP. Then open your menu IP again and hotspot. For create the hotspot setup, we can click this for setup VLAN 1 must work network and checklist. Next, and then this is IP full for the hotspot from 2 to 254. Then next, this is next again, and the SS name is Wahid only. Wahid.net. Then next, local hotspot user admin, the password is 123. Then next, okay, setup is complete. Then open user menu. To create user, click this server server hotspot 1 all again, and the password user 1 and apply. Okay, this is user 1 and this is admin. Then we gonna test it with the terminal. Let's try ping Google. Yes, it's connected. Nice. Well, okay. I open my smartphone to test my hotspot. Open the Wi-Fi. Search for my hotspot. Wahid hotspot. Here. Connect. And then try to log in with the user 1 password user 1. Okay, and it's logged in, and click here. Try to search Google. Oh, nice. We're gonna try to open the YouTube. Yes, this is connect. Nice. Right. For log off your account, you can to browser and click the link is wahid.net. This is your status for user 1, and then click log off. Yep, you have already logged off. I think this tutorial is simple. We successfully create the hotspot MikroTik. I hope you can do it. So bye, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.